let's freeze on that last frame from the Robinson video, right? Because what we are talking about is a marriage between construction and instruction, right? So as you go around the country, Tess, as you go around the country and you think about what's going on in new school models or what's going on in new school design, a lot of what you're going to see is not just new and trendy schools, but places where they've been at it now for 8 to 10 years. And they have data cycles: California, Texas, Ohio, North Carolina. You can find pockets of excellence in these new habitats. You can also find spread in these new habitats, new tech network, okay? Places where they've taken a concept like rocket ship education, or they've taken a concept, the Ohio Learning Network or the Texas High School Project, and they've been at it a number of years now. So when they think about designs for school, and they think about how that marries with instruction, they're hitting on Robinson's central point. You may not have heard in the animation, but the kindergartners at 98% went to 53% when they were 8 to 10, and by the time they were in high school, they were at 18%. Now, if you think about this logically, think about the number of people that do not graduate college or do and find their career or find their skill set later in life. It's because this one-size-fit-all mentality that we've been operating on in schools is very effective for some, but it's not effective for even close to all. So when we think about what we've done to kind of engage around this conversation, the next part of our presentation is going to take you through what this looks like. I think Robinson does a great job of articulating the why behind the need for change or the problems we're having. We're about to dive into what some examples actually look like. So as we go through this next period of our discussion, I want you to make notes. I want you to think about a few things that Peggy's going to lead us through when we finish the activity of the visuals. There's going to be things you see in these next slides that you think, we're doing this at Knox and we're good at it. Write that down. That's a point of pride, okay? There's going to be some things in this next series of slides that are going to make you uncomfortable. That's a fear. Write that down. And we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the transition of where you are to a desired state of where we all want to be. And then you're going to see some things that are going to make you incredibly hopeful. You're going to say, wow, if we're able to accomplish that with our new school design and our new school instruction, that would be a great place to teach and learn.